Question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margin wastage is cutting approximate to 20 centimeter. We need to find the slant height of the tent. So before we proceed further, slant height is equals to under root h square plus r square, that is equals to 8 square, that is 64, and 6 square plus 36. This will be under root 100, that means L is equals to 10 meters. So now we know the slant height is equals to 10 meter. We'll find the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to pi RL. So in this question we are specified to use the pi is equals to 3.14. So 3.14 into R, that is 6, into L. L we find out 10 meters. So this will become CSA is equals to 188.4 meter square. So now we have to assume that extra length of the material that will be required for the stitching margin wastage in cutting is approximation 20. So let us assume that the length of the tarpaulin that is required is equals to x. So this is the length of tarpaulin sheet required. As we have the stitching margin equals to 20 centimeter, that means our effective length means that the length we will be using apart from the margin given that will be used in the main structure. So that is known as effective length. So effective length of the tarpaulin sheet is equals to, we'll remove the margin from the actual length of the tarpaulin sheet, that is x minus, this will convert it into meter, is equals to 0.20 meters. So this is the effective length. Effective length, again I'll be again telling you that it is the length that will be used in the actual making apart from the margins. For example, in your notebook, the effective surface area of the notebook is the area on which you write. In your notebook there is a margin on the left side. That margin is known as a, removing that margin from your paper will be the effective surface area. So that is what is meant by effective length. Now breadth of the tarpaulin sheet is given as 3 meter wide. So the area of the tarpaulin sheet will be L into B, and this L into B will be equals to our CSA that is used for making the tent. So from here we can find the value of L. So it will be this is the effective length, x minus 0.20 is equals to 1884 0.4. And here this is the length and this is multiplied by 3, that is width. So it will, by solving this equation, will get x minus 0.2 is equals to 188 minus 188.4 divided by 3, and this 0.02 will go there, so it will become x is equals to 188.4 by 3 plus 0.2. So our total length will be equals to x will come out to be 63 meter. So this is the length of the original tarpaulin sheet without any wastage.